Hey there! DexScreener is your one-stop dashboard for spotting hot tokens and tracking DEX activity across multiple blockchains in real time. At the very top, you'll see 24-hour volume and 24-hour transactions. That's the total trading volume and transaction count from the last day. Right below, you've got buttons like Top, Gainers, and New Pairs. Click Gainers to zoom in on the biggest movers. Over on the left sidebar, scroll through your networks, Solana, Ethereum, BSC, and more, to filter all those stats to the chain you care about. Just click the network name. To fine-tune, hit Filters at the top right. Show only verified pairs or hide tiny dust markets, and use Customize to reorder columns. And that's it. With these controls, DexScreener helps you zero in on high-momentum tokens, monitor liquidity, and stay ahead in crypto.